So hey guys, welcome back from the video, and today we are going to see how you can conserve battery in your MacBook and some tips and tricks about battery. So let's start our video without wasting any more time. So the first thing we have to do is that go to your system settings and search for your lock screen option and enable screensaver. That is very important to enable screensaver to conserve your battery, because many people don't on it, so they lose battery percentages. So you should allow it. For the second trick, we have to go again in system settings and search for keyboard option here. So search for it and go on it and enable this option, adjust keyboard brightness in low light, so that your keyboard will not consume extra battery. And you should also turn on this option and set to your seconds according to your need to save your battery, so that your keyboard will turn off the lights. If you use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and such options, do remember to turn off these options when you are not using it, because these are the options will consume more battery if you are using your MacBook in a day life. So just turn off this if you are not using it. For the next trick, we have to go in again system settings and just go inside it and search for battery options and go inside option menu. So you will see an option optimize video streaming while on battery. So if you will enable this, basically this function work as it will play HDR video in HDR quality. So the HDR quality consume less battery as compared to HDR content. So if you are not a big fan of HDR content and you don't watch it, so just stick to the HDR quality. Also, the background apps plays an important role in your battery consumption. If you are not using any other application which is not in use, just press command plus tab to see this kind of interface, and just tap command to shift from one application to other, and if you will, so it will close the another application which you are not using right now. Last but not the least, we have to go again in system settings, and after that you have to search for battery option and click on this I button and just enable this option, which is very important. So this option is optimized battery charging, and it will optimize your battery charging. So it will analyze your charging style and it will optimize it according to it. So this will conserve a lot of battery. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to and comment to know all. Let me guys see you in the next one.